luxury cars, private yachts and planes, unlimited shopping, wonderful journeys, money, time, respect, and power. Is it just a dream, or is it something within reach? What distinguishes successful people from others is the knowledge they have and the actions they take. You should know that it's years of hard work. Each achievement, every milestone reached, is a result of countless hours and dedication. It's a journey filled with challenges, learning, mistakes, tears, and perseverance. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the product of continuous effort and determination. That's all you need to build a powerful foundation in the cryptocurrency world. I can share my knowledge and experience with you. Now you can have it right here, right now. Are you a person who wants to develop, change your life, and become someone better? Remember, life is a choice. Now the time has come. Join my Udemy training. Let me show you what to expect. I've gathered all the necessary knowledge for starting your cryptocurrency journey in one place, structured as a course divided into 3 main stages: preparation, practice, and supplementary parts. In the preparation section, you'll learn what Bitcoin is, how blockchain works, what influences cryptocurrency prices, and whether they can be predicted. We'll discuss essential security principles, how to avoid losing everything, what scams are, and how to steer clear of them. We'll delve into the intricacies of various blockchain networks and explore why they emerge. We'll compare cryptocurrency exchanges, first among themselves, and later with traditional stock exchanges. We'll explore the topic of emotions, and each new term introduced in the course will be conveniently found in the cryptocurrency glossary. Armed with the right knowledge, the practical part will guide you step by step on how to create an account on an exchange using various examples. We'll discuss everything related to identity verification and walk through the entire process. We'll also explore exchanges that offer anonymity. In the subsequent sections, I'll demonstrate how to use each of them, from making deposits and withdrawals to trading and utilizing other features. We'll discuss deposit and withdrawal methods, including bank transfers and credit cards. I'll guide you on preparing for cash deposits and withdrawals. Once we've covered exchange-related matters, we'll move on to fund storage. We'll discuss available methods and explore how to use hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, what MetaMask is, how to install, configure, secure it, add new networks, additional cryptocurrencies, and enhance your privacy while reducing transaction costs. After the practical section, armed with knowledge about wallets, we'll wrap up with a supplementary, where we'll delve into decentralized exchanges, revisiting various network concepts and the use of bridges. Get ready for a comprehensive cryptocurrency learning journey, because in this part, we will also talk about the benefits of using two-factor authentication, staking, liquidity pools, airdrops, market monitoring, diversification, taxes, and many other intriguing topics. Towards the end, you'll find a list of worthwhile books. The final stage includes a surprise for every course participant who completes the training. With over 40 video materials, over 6 hours of valuable recordings, an ebook, and additional supplementary materials. This comprehensive course covers all topics methodically from the absolute basics. If you're eager to embark on your cryptocurrency journey, increasing your chances of financial success, and wondering how to start while avoiding costly mistakes, this course is tailored just for you. See you in the upcoming sessions. The link is below this video.